Exclamations Unleashed. Mastering the exclamation mark in English. Hello language explorers. Welcome back to our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of punctuation. Specifically, we're going to focus on an important symbol that adds excitement and emphasis to our language: the exclamation mark. The exclamation mark, also called an exclamation point, is a punctuation mark that is used at the end of a sentence. This is not just any sentence, but one that expresses strong emotion, commands, or interjections. It signifies excitement, surprise, astonishment, or any other such strong emotion. So, when you see, think excitement and emotion. But why do we use exclamation marks? Well, they serve several functions in English. The primary purpose of an exclamation mark is to indicate a strong emotional reaction or a raised voice. If someone says, "I can't believe it's not butter," the exclamation mark indicates they are saying this with surprise or disbelief. They are also used after a command or instruction that is particularly urgent or forceful, for example, stop. Occasionally, you'll see them used in informal writing or communication to add extra emphasis or show a casual tone, like in, "Thanks so much for the gift." Just because exclamation marks add excitement, doesn't mean you should sprinkle them throughout your writing like confetti. In formal writing, use exclamation marks sparingly, only for expressing strong emotion or urgency. Remember, too many exclamation marks can make your writing look unprofessional. In informal writing or in dialogue, they can be used more freely to portray a character's emotions or emphasize points. And one last tip: avoid using multiple exclamation marks in a row. While you might see this in text messages or social media, it's generally considered poor writing style in more formal contexts. And there you have it. You've taken a closer look at the exciting world of exclamation marks. Remember, they're there to help you convey strong emotions, urgency, or surprise. Use them wisely to enhance your English writing skills. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope this video was helpful in mastering the art of using exclamation marks. Until next time, happy language learning!